Alright everybody, we back. 03 G35. Alright, yesterday I had to straighten out the wheel, so I just took the tie rods off and straightened the wheel out, make sure the steering wheel was straight. Can't see it. There we go. So that's what the inside of it look like. It's pretty clean. Except that seat right there. Anyone that owns G35s already know about how these seats are. The driver's seat always get ripped up. But why in the hell the designer thought that this would be a good color combo? They should have left this tan out, put it all black, but we're gonna wrap this in some suede. So that's gonna get done. Today we're gonna change the steering wheel. So I got an NRG steering wheel. It's not a knockoff, official tissue, authorized seller. I bought it straight through NRG, so it ain't gonna fall apart on me. But if anybody know, this how you take it off. You gotta take that screw off on that side. There's another one on the other side, steering wheel. You need a T30 Torx security bit. One without a little hole in the middle. See that little dimple in the middle? So you need a Torx T30 security bit to take it off. But disconnect the ground cable first, so that we don't blow airbag in your face. Put the wheels are straight, put the steering wheel, so it's time to take the steering wheel off. Alright, here we go. This is on the NRG stuff. So this is the steering wheel. This is official NRG certified. I bought it straight through the manufacturer, so I know it's official. So one piece is on, so it's not gonna break on you. But dude in blue or whatever he called, I understand he does great work on what he does, but that steering wheel, that shit was a knockoff. That was a piece of crap. This here isn't even cheap. So he had a piece of cheap shit that, you know, wasn't all that great, and he broke it. I'm trying to say NRG was cheap, but I'm not sponsored by NRG. I bought all this with my own money. Next here we got the lock. So when you pull the steering wheel off, that'll go over the little hub piece, so that way, you know, nobody can fuck with it. Right here we got the hub. It's a short hub. All official, nice equipment. Short hub. And here we got one quick release. I like the short quick release just in case. I bought this quick release as well. Kind of like that little paddle shifter type look to it. So I'm gonna use one or the other. Alright, the screws is out. Okay, that's a T30 Torx screw right there. See it, focus, favorite. And then that's the bit. See how the bit has the little hole in the middle? So it fits right inside of that, perfect. So you need that, that's a T30. This is an 03 G35, so you got an Infinity G35. That size is a T30. Security bit, that's what it's called, a security bit. Came out of the hole right there. Off the steering wheel. Oh, focus. Alright. Of course I'm on my phone, so. Alright, then you just pop the airbag out. And boom, that's what's underneath it. Then you gotta disconnect the airbag wires and stuff. So, of course, yes, I disconnected the battery cable, the negative cable, so that way the bag don't blow out on me. But let me disconnect this, and then we'll go from there. I'll show you guys the steering wheel I got. Whoa. I don't want to fuck in there. But that's what it looks like on the inside. You have to take that bolt off right here in the middle. That's a 19 millimeter. And then you're going to unplug all this stuff too, to take the steering wheel off. So, what else? Of course, unplug that. Unplug that. Little piece here, take that off. That's off. And yeah, get the 19mm and pull that bolt off, and then the right airbag's off. That's the front of it. That's the back of it. Components that came out of there, color coded red and yellow, or orange and yellow. You know, it's easy. You gotta pull these little black tabs up to pop it out. So, focus. All right. So these tabs here, these little black tabs there, gotta pop it up, and then you can pull it out the airbag. All right, we're back. Got the bolt off. The bolt is loose. Got the bolt off. Before you pop the bolt all the way off, it's better to yank on it, loosen it up, so that way it don't come and hit you in the face when you pull it. Take a little pressure up and down, side to side, grab both sides, wobble it side to side, grab top and bottom, wobble it top and bottom, loosens it up a little bit, then you can pop it. But leave the nut on, loose, so that way you got the little slack and it don't come flying and busting you in the face if you take the bolt all the way off. So you're ripping all the wires out. But still, some of these wires got to be snaked through. Because this comes off and none of these wires still behind except this one. This one comes with it. Because that's what all of these are connected to. It's connected through this wire here. So it's connected. So when I pull it out a little bit, I'm going to get a screwdriver, go back here, press the prong, pop it out. And there go the wheel. Came off. And that's your clock spring. So now we get the washing wheel. You see my line. Gotta line that up with the steering wheel, the new steering wheel. It's off. Let's get another one. Let's get the new one, the NRG. Okay, this is the hub, the short hub, NRG short hub. I didn't push it all the way in yet, but just wanted to show you something. You want to try to line up that little line with the dot. So, but also, you got some connectors in here. These are the airbag connectors. Got to snake them through the hole there. And then there's that plug. You still gotta plug something in here. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, I'll show you the plug. Plug to the box. Gives you everything you need. So that plug there goes into where the OEM plug came out for the cruise control and the power radio and all that crap. So, we're not using that. We're still gonna use the horn. So this is the wires that you need. So we're gonna put these together and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, everything's plugged in. Plug the connector on in there. And this is the other end of it. And then the airbags, we give you these little fuse so that way you don't have to check the airbag light. Just plug the two plugs into there. One goes one side, one goes the other side. Doesn't matter which one goes where. And that's it. The airbag light shouldn't be on. Alright. Okay. Got the quick release on. That. Okay. Steering wheel on. NRG. Nice. Tough. Get you one. Very good. That's the lock. You put the lock over. When you take the steering wheel off. I'm on the phone, so I can't show you because I only got two hands and can't hold the camera and show you how to take it on and off. But you pull the two little levers that look like paddle shifters, and then it engages that little pin right there. Once that pin sucks down, the steering wheel comes off. Paddle shifter and steering wheel come together. And then you have that lock. You put on the lock, over that, lock it on, boom. This is secure. are pretty much secure. And if somebody want to take your shit, they'll take your shit, regardless what kind of security deterrence you got on it. So, if you like it, get you one. Peace.